So this week, I wanted to jump behind the mic here and give you kind of a little update on what's been going on lately, where I've been, what's happening here at Heavy Metal Money. And first off, life's been crazy loud, but in a good way, right? So behind the scenes, I've been deep in the weeds doing some building, some writing, some planning. And honestly, that really is sharpening the axe on how to be better with Heavy Metal Money. I just got back from Podfest, where we're working on providing more content, more conversations, more straight talk about money, but really providing more value to you, the listeners and the viewers. So this is more of something that I'm really fired up about. And one thing is the brand new Heavy Metal Money Mosh Pit. I've launched a brand new private Facebook group that I'm inviting you all to jump in. This is for people that want to talk about money like real humans. We're not gurus or finfluencers. We're not flexing our Lambos. It's none of the get rich quick garbage that's out there. This is for people trying to really get out of the paycheck to paycheck grind. It's folks that are chasing financial independence on their own terms, and anyone else who really wants to learn, ask questions, share wins, survive the market noise that's going on, and together think of it as like a financial mosh pit, if you will, right? You might get bumped around a little bit, but nobody gets trampled, and we pick you up when you fall down. And that's where we got each other's backs. So inside this group, I'm going to do things that I don't always do on the public feed, right? So we're going to have more real-time money conversations. We're going to have polls, discussions, Q&A, some behind-the-scene things, thoughts on what's going on in the market and industry, thoughts about mindset, money decisions. And also, this is more community-driven topics because it isn't just like me talking at you. It really is a community. So if that sounds like something that is your kind of organized chaos, then what I'd like you to do is go ahead and sign up at moshpit.heavymetal.money, and it'll take you straight to a sign up page. Go ahead and sign up. And as a small token of appreciation for signing up, I'm going to send you a fast track to financial freedom guide that includes 7 quick steps to slashing debt, building wealth, and taking back control of your money. And then it'll automatically forward you to the Facebook group where you can request to join. And we want to make sure that we keep this a safe space. Right now, we're going through and I'm approving everyone that asks to join. And it's one of those things where, which has already happened, right? If a Facebook profile was just created yesterday, you're not going to get in. So again, we're going to try to do our best to keep not only the pitchforks right out, but we're going to keep the spam out as well. We want just good people in there and good questions. And we want everyone to make better financial decisions. I want to thank you all for being here. Thanks for listening and watching on YouTube. Thanks for being a part of this whole thing that we're building here together. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see you in the pit.